Today we shall discuss about the EWM embedded version in 1809. So this session will be completed in two phases. First session in phase 1, we shall complete warehouse structure and master data as shown in the figure. Second, we shall take care about the basic processes in SAP EWM. The thrust will be at micro level, preceded by the thrust of micro level for warehouse structure and master data. Next, we shall cover the warehouse monitoring system and processing with the mobile devices, how to leverage this managing the warehouse complex using the one-stop monitoring tool called warehouse monitor. We shall also discuss about the outlining of the radio frequency application framework. Radio frequency framework is applied in the warehouse to make automation of the goods movements with respect to the field operations. Next, we shall discuss about the additional functions in SAP EWM. Here, we shall specifically focus on the applying storage control, employee serial numbers, processing batches, then mapping the quality inspection processes, followed by the follow-on functions in the quality inspection process. We shall also discuss about the application of value-added services, how we do create the value-added service order and creation of the corresponding warehouse stocks and confirm it consequently. So all the 4 chapters we shall discuss in phase 1. Last but not the least, it is the warehouse organization, where we shall confirm about the specific activity for slotting. We know that slotting is defined as the specific process to find out the best bin for a product, where we can do efficient put away and effective stock removal picking process. Replacement methods involving the speed of outbound delivery. So there are different types of replenishment methods are applied in the warehouse outbound operations, like order replenishment or planned replenishments, direct replenishment, and so on. Next, we shall discuss about the performance of the physical inventory. So physical inventory we are using in our house for a particular inventory manager for physical counting of the products and the spare parts available in the warehouse should map with the book value of SAP report. Okay, now it is also required by the finance person, which is the legal requirement also about this physical inventory count, recount, and ad hoc physical inventory process. So this is the gist of the phase 1. In phase 2, we shall detail about the low level activity at the micro level thrust for basic customizing process. So basic customizing process is the bread and butter of a functional consultant in EWM. We shall complete the entire customizing process steps one by one. Next, we shall involve optimization of resources. In second chapter, in phase 2, there we shall apply web management, labor management, and also we shall execute production supply process. Before that, we shall also define the production supply process relevant master data. Web management involves a particular imagery platform to select the relevant warehouse request against a n number of deliveries, so that our delivery in multiple quantity can be handled in a particular systematic manner to cope up with the urgent requirements for the customer's delivery. Now we shall execute the functions of expected good receipt processes in the absence of some specific problems in ERP. So you can create the good receipt process in EWM template. Cross-docking is a process to bypass the warehouse process, where we shall deliver the goods from the exit of a production line to the customer premises within one movement type. So single movement type will enable inbound and outbound process in cross-docking. We shall discuss about different types of cross-docking, like planned cross-docking or opportunities cross-docking, transportation cross-docking, merchandise cross-docking, and so on. So it depends upon the business scenario. We need to use the cross-docking process consequently. ROS extension involves the planning of shipping and receiving of the products involving transportation management. Also, we shall discuss about the material flow systems, which involves the flow of the material in the warehouse involving conveyor, cranes, and other PLC operated system. So it involves the automation of the movements of the products containing the conveyors, automatic storage and retrieval systems, or any specific material handling automated system, some elevator, lift, or cranes. Next, we shall discuss about the project management activities involving the rapid deployment solutions to enable the EWM cycle time implementation process within 3 to 4 weeks. So these rapid deployment solutions will accelerate the implementation process using activate methodology. There we shall use the different process step of activate methodology, like prepare, explore, realize, and deploy. Sometime we followed by run. Next, we shall realize the entire end-to-end scenario of EWM process, which involves the single product for inbound and outbound process steps for the entire warehouse complex. So in this way, we shall cover total 10 chapters. For these 10 chapters, total time will be 40 hours. And for these 40 hours, we have got 2 phases. Now let us see our next activity for warehouse structure and material master. So this master data we shall discuss in details, and here we shall realize the structure of the warehouse with respect to SAP EWM. So EWM, what is the structure of the warehouse and what level we can define? For this, we should use this particular real-time SAP S4HANA 1809 system. So this is the S4HANA 1809. You can see it from here. It is the 1809 version for S4HANA. Okay, so it is especially